complete, are headed back to the lab. Testing. 1, 2. We should have something for us.
I dropped my water bottle. Alright, I've had the Sony a7 III for a month now, and I found some things that really suck about it, and I'm here to tell you about it before you buy it, just so you're aware. Now, these things did not deter me away from buying the camera. I've just found out that they're really annoying, and I figured that if you're buying it, you're gonna wanna know. So, let's get into it. Firstly, if you're new here, go ahead and subscribe because I make videos like this weekly, and I'm sure you want to see my dumb face every week, so just subscribe. One of the first things that really sucks, as I'm sure you've heard many people talk about already, is the menu. The menu system has so many settings. I use this camera on my job as a behind-the-scenes camera, so I'm always having to switch settings and format cards and all that fun stuff, and I always found myself having to scroll through each individual little menu option. There's like over 40 menu options. It's crazy. It's just so big, and it can be scary if you're starting to get into videography or photography, and there's just a lot to learn about this camera before you buy it. But that shouldn't take away from the fact that this camera is amazing, and it's the only camera you should be buying right now. So don't let that scare you away at all. I love this thing. The next big problem I've had with it in general, this isn't a general topic, is user friendliness. This camera is not necessarily user friendly. As I talked about in the last point, the vast menu system, it's just a massive learning curve, and that's all I have to say about this point. All right, the next one I'm sure you have also heard everybody talking about is the flipping flip out screen. My last camera, the Panasonic G7, had a flip out screen, so I was very used to having that monitor to look at. It's kind of nice to not have a monitor and always be concerned what you look like. However, it is nice to know if you're properly exposed and focused and all that other fun stuff. But I haven't had an issue with it yet. As long as you're looking at the lens, I think you're fine. The autofocus on this thing is relatively great. However, the hunting can be a little troublesome sometimes. My last bone to pick with this camera is that when you buy like the standard version, standard package, it does not come with an external charger. It comes with a cord that you put right into the camera. I think that's kind of annoying. However, don't let that deter you away from buying this awesome, beautiful beast of a camera. I really love it. If you want to see a video test on this camera, I go over it in depth in this video right here. So click on that if you want to see more on that. However, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it thoroughly as much as I did. I enjoy your presence as much as hopefully you probably don't enjoy mine, but I enjoy your presence. So go ahead and drop me a like. It helps me further improve the content on my channel and tells me how much you love me, and I appreciate it. Be sure to let me know down below what type of videos you guys want to see in the future, and I will be sure to fulfill those requests. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I will catch you in the next one. So this is me signing off, and yeah.